In today's video, I am going to teach you how to name your Shopify store. Your store name is one of the first things customers notice, and it also shows up in key places across your Shopify admin. Shopify makes it simple to update, and you can do it in just a minute. Before you save changes, take a moment to think about clarity and consistency. A good store name is easy to read, easy to remember, and matches the kind of products you sell. Also, if you are rebranding, make sure the name you choose aligns with your logo, your domain, and your social handles, so everything feels connected. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, head to Settings. Settings is where Shopify keeps the important configuration options for your store, including business information and how your store appears. Inside Settings, select Store Details. This area contains the profile information for your store, including your current store name. Look for the Profile section and then choose Edit. Clicking Edit puts those fields into an editable mode so you can make changes safely before you commit them. Now find the field labeled Store Name and type your new store name. As you enter it, aim for a name that looks clean in a header and still makes sense when spoken out loud. Keep it short enough to fit well on mobile screens. If you use special characters, be careful because they may not display the same way everywhere. It also helps to double-check spelling and capitalization, since this is the version that may appear on documents and in parts of the customer experience. When you are satisfied with the updated name, click Save. Saving applies the change to your store profile, and it becomes your new store name moving forward. After you save, take a quick moment to confirm that the new name displays correctly in the Store Details page. If it looks right, you are all set. And that is all there is to it.